students, so in this video we are going to start MCQs which is based on PowerPoint part 2. So let's get started. The first question is, by which of the following do you show shortcut menu during slideshow? तो इनमें से किसके द्वारा स्लाइड शो के दौरान शॉर्टकट मेन्यू शो कर सकते हैं? सो ऑप्शन है क्लिकिंग ऑन द शॉर्टकट बटन ऑन द रिबन, right clicking on the current slide, clicking an icon on the current slide, या D, both A and B. So the correct answer is B, right clicking on the current slide. Okay. Next question is, which of these menus has background? इनमें से किस मेन्यू में बैकग्राउंड होता है? So ऑप्शन है फॉर्मेट, insert, view, slideshow. So the correct answer of this question is format. Okay. So move on. The next question is 3. Which is the easiest way to apply animation in different type of text on slides? So slide पर text करने के लिए different type के animations apply करने का सबसे सरल तरीका क्या होता है? So these are options is applying effects to the custom animation text plane, customizing bullets with animating clip arts, applying an animation scheme, yeah, all of the above. So the correct answer is B, applying an animation scheme. B option is correct. Okay. So fourth question is to exit PowerPoint. PowerPoint के बाहर निकलने के लिए क्या करते हैं? So click on the minimize button of the application, double click on the current menu icon of the application, या B, click on the close button of the document, या click on the control menu icon of the document. So the correct answer of this question is click on the minimize button of the application. Okay, A option is correct. So move on. The next question is fifth question. So if the user wants a slide after the specified time automatically next, then which checkbox click on the group in transition? So if the user wants कि एक slide specified time के बाद automatically आगे आ जाए, तो animation टैब में इस slide group transition में इनमें से कौन सा checkbox पर क्लिक करेंगे? So transition timer, transition after, या automatic timer. So the correct answer of this question is D, automatic timer. Okay. So move on. The next question is sixth question. What extension is given to PowerPoint document by default? So PowerPoint document का क्या extension है? So option है .exe, .ppp, .ppt, या .com, या none of the above. So the correct answer is C, .ppt is the right answer. Seventh question is, graphics objects are used on charts. So charts पर graphics object use होते हैं. So these are option is to emphasize the chart data, to help interpret the chart data, to make the chart inserting, या all of the above. So the correct answer of this question is all of the above. Okay. Then next question is eighth question. Which of the following is setup options? Page cannot be set in the setup dialog box. So इनमें से कौन सा setup option page setup dialog box में set नहीं किया जा सकता है? So these are option printer selection, orientation, vertical and horizontal placement, या row and column title. So the correct answer is printer selection. A option is right. Okay. Then move on. The next question is ninth question. So you use drag and drop. So why you use drag and drop? So the option is, so these option is to copy the content of the cell, to add cell content, to delete cell content, yeah, all of the above. So the correct answer is to copy the content of the cell. Okay. Next question is 10th question. Presentation can be created from sketch using which of the following? किसका प्रयोग करके sketch से presentation को बनाया जा सकता है? So these are options: auto contain wizard, plain presentation, simple presentation, design templates. So the correct answer is blank presentation. Okay, C option is correct. Then 11th, which key is used to start any slideshow? So किसी भी स्लाइड शो को स्टार्ट करने के लिए कौन सी शॉर्टकट की यूज होती है? So option is F5, Control plus Alt plus A, या F10 या Shift plus X. So the correct answer is D, Shift plus X. Okay. Then next question is, which of the following shortcut is used for inserting a new slide? So new slide insert करने के लिए shortcut की है Control plus M, Control plus N, या Control plus O, या none of these. So the correct answer is Control plus M. A option is right. Okay. Move on the next question. Is 13. In which of the following bar closed X option is present? So इनमें से किस बार में closed X option present रहता है? So these are options: standard toolbar, status toolbar, title toolbar, title bar, या formatting bar. So the correct answer is title bar. Okay, B option is correct. Then 14 question is, which shortcut key is used to find the words in the slide? Slide में word find करने के लिए क्या shortcut key use करते हैं? So option is Control plus W, Control plus F, Control plus S, या Control plus N. So the correct answer of this question is Control plus F is the right answer. Okay. Then 15 question is number of current slide. Total number of slides provides information. So current slides of number and total number of slide की information किसमें provide होती हैं? So option है formatting toolbar, menu toolbar, या standard toolbar, menu bar, या standard toolbar, या status bar. So the correct answer is status bar. Okay. So question is done. Thank you.